This seller on Fiverr is making $50 to $130 for an audio enhancement service that you can do with an AI tool in just 3 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 methods like this for you to make money on Fiverr using the magic of AI. Say goodbye to endless job applications and hello to a world where your creativity meets cutting-edge technology, all while making money effortlessly. In today's digital age, AI tools have emerged as game changers, revolutionizing various industries. From healthcare to finance, entertainment, and beyond, AI is completely transforming our world. And the best part is, you can jump in on this first wave of innovation and harness the power of AI tools to start your own business venture that can easily make you thousands of dollars per month. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to easily make money online using a combination of Fiverr and 5 different incredible AI tools. First off, let's talk about Fiverr. At its core, Fiverr is a bustling hub of freelancers and entrepreneurs from around the globe, all coming together to buy and sell services in a wide range of categories. From graphic design and digital marketing to writing and programming, if you can dream it, chances are you can find it on Fiverr. Who pays for services on Fiverr? From small businesses and startups to established companies and individuals, Fiverr clients come in all shapes and sizes. Some are looking for quick fixes, like a logo design or a voiceover for their latest project. Others are seeking long-term partnerships, like ongoing social media management or website development. If you're itching to make money online, Fiverr can be your golden ticket to financial freedom. You simply need to create an account, showcase your talents through gig listings, and watch as clients come knocking on your virtual door eager to enlist your services. I will now go over the 5 methods that you can use to easily make money on Fiverr by harnessing the power of AI. For this first method, you can use an amazing tool called Ad Creative AI to create eye-catching ad creatives for social media, websites, and other promotions that will leave clients begging for more. This AI-powered tool is a game changer, capable of generating stunning visuals that capture attention and drive results. The best part is, you don't need to have any design skills to harness the power of Ad Creative AI. Simply input your preferences and let the AI work its magic. Whether it's social media ads, banners, or promotional material, Ad Creative AI will deliver top-notch creatives for your clients in record time. So how do you turn this into cash on Fiverr? Create a gig offering your ad creative services and use catchy keywords like high converting, professional, and fast turnaround to stand out from the crowd. Before you know it, clients will be lining up to get a piece of the action. Sellers on Fiverr charge as much as $35 for an ad creative and up to $300 for a more detailed ad creative package. So with the help of this AI tool, you could be easily creating content that pays you very well. Let's get into method 2. This next ingenious AI tool transforms complex ideas into captivating explainer videos that leave viewers spellbound. There are plenty of business owners who need high-quality videos to explain things to clients and customers. Whether your client is needing to explain a product, service, or concept, Steve AI can do it all. With this AI tool, creating jaw-dropping explainer videos has never been easier. Simply input your script or text, choose your preferred style, and let Steve AI work its magic. Before you know it, you'll have a professional-grade video that wows clients and drives results. Now let's talk business. How can you cash in on Steve AI's brilliance? It's simple. Create a gig on Fiverr offering explainer video services. Use buzzwords like dynamic, engaging, and attention-grabbing to attract clients. Sellers on Fiverr charge as much as $150 to $200 for a 30-second explainer video and as much as $450 for a 60-second video. So with Steve AI creating these videos for you in minutes, you can easily be making hundreds of dollars per day using this AI tool. For our third method, let's talk about Adobe Podcast Enhancer. Lots of business owners and content creators struggle with audio quality for content they need to create. Adobe Podcast Enhancer is a new AI-powered tool that can take poor quality audio, such as audio recorded outside or with lots of interference, and will quickly get rid of background noise, echo, and other audio errors, creating crystal clear sound. You simply upload the audio track, and with the click of a button, the audio quality is transformed in just minutes. But hold on to your hats, because it gets even better. Adobe Podcast Enhancer isn't just a one-trick pony. With its advanced features, you can enhance vocals, adjust volume levels, and even add special effects with ease. The result? Professional-grade audio that sounds like it was produced in a top-tier studio. So how can you turn this audio wizardry into cash on Fiverr? It's a piece of cake. Create a gig offering audio enhancement services, highlighting the benefits of working with you to achieve studio-quality sound. Use keywords like professional audio editing, crisp sound, and fast delivery to attract clients. Sellers on Fiverr charge as much as $50 for this simple service, and since you can complete each project in only a few minutes, you could be making hundreds of dollars per day as you grow your clientele using this incredible tool. Now for the fourth method. It's all about video translation. There are plenty of businesses and content creators who have great video content and want to expand their reach by putting out that content to global audiences in other languages. With Rask AI, this has never been easier, and you can use this AI tool to offer the service to clients on Fiverr. Using this tool is as easy as uploading your client's video, selecting your target languages, and letting the AI work its magic. And Rask AI isn't just your run-of-the-mill translation tool. With its advanced language processing capabilities, Rask AI ensures that your translated videos sound as natural and engaging as the original. Say goodbye to awkward translations and hello to seamless communication that resonates with audiences worldwide. So how can you leverage the power of Rask AI to make money on Fiverr? It's simple. Create a gig offering video translation services, highlighting the benefits of tapping into new markets with multilingual content. Use keywords like global reach, multilingual videos, and targeted audience engagement to attract clients looking to take their content to the next level. Sellers on Fiverr charge as much as $50 to $60 per video for this service, and since Rask AI performs the task for you in just minutes, this is a great opportunity to make lots of money on Fiverr with very little effort. Now into method 5. It's time to help clients on Fiverr bring their brands to life. Enter Namelix AI, an awesome tool for generating captivating brand and business name ideas that leave a lasting impression. With Namelix AI, you can become a master of branding, effortlessly crafting names that resonate with clients and their target audiences. Let's dive into the power of Namelix AI. This innovative tool harnesses the latest in artificial intelligence to generate unique and memorable brand names in a flash. Whether it's a startup, product, or service, Namelix AI delivers names that capture the essence of a brand and set it apart from the competition. Using Namelix AI couldn't be simpler. Just input a few keywords and preferences and let the AI do the heavy lifting. With its vast database of linguistic patterns and brand insights, Namelix AI churns out name ideas that are as creative as they are compelling. So how can you turn Namelix AI into a money-making machine on Fiverr? Create a gig offering brand and business name ideation services, highlighting that you will deliver name ideas that resonate with clients and their target audiences. Use keywords like brand identity, memorable names, and market differentiation to attract clients seeking to make a splash with their brands. And since sellers on Fiverr charge as much as $100 or even $250 for this service, this is an incredible opportunity to make lots of money easily using this great AI tool. Now that you've discovered the power of AI for making money on Fiverr, it's time to put your newfound knowledge into action. But before you dive in headfirst, let's talk strategy. First and foremost, creating an account on Fiverr is a breeze. Simply sign up, fill out your profile, and start exploring the platform. Create a catchy username, craft a compelling bio highlighting your expertise, and showcase your services to potential clients. When crafting your gig descriptions, use keywords strategically to optimize your listings for search visibility, and don't be afraid to showcase your personality and passion for your craft. You'll also want to scope out the competition as you create your gigs. Take a cue from top sellers on Fiverr who specialize in the specific service you plan to offer. Analyze their pricing strategies, gig descriptions, and customer reviews to gauge market demand and set your rates accordingly. Remember, success on Fiverr is all about standing out from the crowd. And with these powerful AI tools, you can do so easily. With dedication, determination, and a sprinkle of AI magic, you'll be well on your way to building a profitable online business that brings your dreams to life. If you found this video enjoyable, please show some love by liking this video and subscribing for more content just like this. See you in the next one.